So I'm over here with my guy Bud today. What kind of bike is this, Bud?
2019 road Bud.
Woo, doggy. Boy. It's nice. You supposed to be out rolling today. All right. So what we got here, Bud?
I'm gonna say it's my son said it was a 400. On a Pontiac Grand Prix.
Pontiac Grand Prix.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you have done to it?
They went through the whole motor and had a dyno.
Hold on. Step over towards the engine a little more.
He had a dyno. He had to go through the whole motor.
Oh yeah. You don't know what it was dynoed at?
He's supposed to be on his way over here, but everything in here is brand new.
Oh yeah.
He spent like $7 grand on this motor.
So he never installed it though, huh?
No, they had it running, but when they dynoed it, but.
So how much you want for it?
Yeah, here he is right there. That's him coming right now, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yep, that's him right there. He'll tell you exactly what it is. That's Junior.
Come the man of the hour.
What's going on?
How you doing, my man?
Hey man, you need to give he gonna put this on the thing so you can sell it for you.
All right, bet. Appreciate it.
On the classic channel. So what you got here, my man?
750 card with a intake 1500 cam, voodoo cam, board over, Eagle Rising pistons, ARP bolts throughout.
Okay.
I mean, you see the oil.
You can pull it up.
I don't know if I want to. That's kind of business.
No, that's good. I can see it there. I can see it there. So.
I ain't got no tranny with it though.
Oh, okay.
And then we dyno the intake out.
All right.
You know.
So you don't remember how much it was dynoed all that, huh? The engine?
It was on Don's auto.
Oh, okay.
Knocked it out. You know.
Okay.
You got the paperwork for
Yeah, I
it.
got all the paperwork for it. It's about,
And you never installed it either, huh?
I just ran it down there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just ran it down that way.
And it's out of what year now?
72 Catalina.
Oh, okay.
400.
Oh, okay.
400 board over.
Yeah.
How much over?
30.
So yeah, that's
Eagle Rising pistons.
so it's about
Yeah. The flywheel is the only thing that I really kept on there. Actually, flywheel in the block.
Oh, yeah. All right, my man.
I
Well, if this man don't get it here-
Just to start it, I
hey,
just
if you
put
beat
this in
me,
there.
hey, listen.
I
gotta
do a YouTube channel. Is it all right if me
okay.
put you on there?
Oh, I don't mind.
All right,
but
all right.
if you beat me to it, I'm not like that. This
No, I understand.
This is my bro. You know what I'm saying?
No,
Money
I
talk.
don't want
He
it.
a Pontiac, he a Buick man. We don't do nothing else but Buick.
I'm Chevy man. I do Chevys and
Yeah,
wax.
yeah.
we do.
No, I'm just here. Bud been telling me that his son wanted to sell it, so I was just gonna put it on my classics channel, and probably put it on the Buick's channel too, cause and just see if you can get it sold.
You do YouTube classics.
Yeah, all things classic.
Yeah, Edelbrock card,
I'll give you a card.
intake.
Yeah, shoot me a card. I got.
All right. All right. Well, I'm gonna put it on the channel, my man.
Yeah, for sure.
All right. So what's your name for the camera?
Oh, Buddha. They call me Buddha.
All right. Bud Junior.
Buddha. I added the other D and the HA. You know,
I got it. All right, my man. I appreciate the time. All right. All right. So, what were you saying now? How much you want for it?
I mean, somebody give me 4,000 for it. I'll take that thing.
All right, cause you got $7 grand stuck in it.
7.
Brand new carburetor on there.
Everything new.
Yeah.
Everything but the flywheel and block.
Okay.
And paperwork. All paperwork
Paperwork.
for it.
Yeah.
All right, my man. Somebody gonna eat this up.
Yes.
They better
Jump on
get it before I do.
Jump on it. You see it. We're gonna take a little one more tour of that joint so they can see everything new on it.
Yeah, I see the fuel pump. Look at it, guys.
All high performance shit.
New valve cover, intake, bolts.
They deeper too. Don't got deeper. The covers. If you look at it, how high it is.
Right.
Look at the side.
All right, my man.
Break into my house.